trying to fix Miss Blueberry before we head to Las Vegas. Gotta get Miss Blueberry home. She's in Ellenwood. Gotta get her home. Brought the mechanic with me, and I am assisting him, which is really fun. He's teaching me some stuff. And yes, you see the bags out of my eye. That's okay. They'll be gone by Tuesday. Thank you guys so much. And those who donated to get Miss Blueberry home, love you so much. Miss Blueberry is running. We're gonna see how far we can get her. We're in Ellenwood, Florida. And you know I gotta be on that plane 8 o'clock tomorrow night. But listen guys, thank you guys so much. I can't thank you guys enough. We are a non-for-profit. It's not like Miss Blueberry Habit, and the first time she ever broke down 3 times in a row. But anyway, thank you so much. We're gonna head home. I'll continue this when I reach my destination. We're gonna take it to the mechanics, and Miss Blueberry will spend the time with the mechanics while we're away. Thank you.